So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HFCL share. So we know that since few days the stock was in little bit of corrections, especially today many small cap and mid cap stocks have given little bit of correction because of market was in little sideways condition followed by little bit of downtrend. So as I told in previous videos also, so whenever correction is happening, you need to search for opportunities and you need to average. So technically the stock has not given any complete confirmation that it will continue the downtrend. It is at a very good support region at the current levels also. So morning itself in the Telegram group, we have discussed about Dixon Technologies related to PLI scheme. So PLI scheme we have discussed earlier also related to HFCL and few companies like Tejas Networks which already got the approval related to this particular scheme. So how they will be benefited and all we have discussed in the previous sessions. So now comes one major company like Dixon when it is starting some new things related to PLI scheme. So other companies will also have little bit of positive trend, and today especially because of market condition only HFCL has shown little bit of correction. So nothing to worry. We'll try to do the complete technical analysis and we'll see what are the major supports that we need to focus. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical chart. So first we'll try to discuss in 1-day chart time frame. So delivery wise we can't compare because already the stock is in NSE B category. So the stocks which are in B section, so the deliveries will not be visible. So maximum 100% would be visible. So once you see the technical charts, you can see reversals are present near the 65 and 66 rupees region. So whenever the stock has approached this particular support region, so you can highlight here. So you can see this is very strong support, and stock today also it has sustained that particular region and it has given closing above that particular levels. So still it maintains a closing above that region. We can expect stock to remain stable and flat. So if you see the levels wise, so first important support as I told 65 rupees level is going to be very important, and resistance wise 75 rupees resistance if it crosses, so then only we can expect some positive trend. So now a little bit of weakness is present in all the small cap and mid cap stocks, and despite HFCL today it has not given any major downfalls. A few have given more than 5 to 6% downfall also. So results we know will be declared again and again for few large caps also. So results wise previously HFCL has given little bit of slight negative results, but year on year basis the stock has performed very well. So since it is traveling in this particular region, you need to focus the support and resistance. Okay, so once you see the channel itself, so you'll understand that once it breaks this particular region, so then only we can expect some very good positive trend. So right now, as I told, so complete confirmation of bearishness is not visible. So it can retrace from the current levels also. So watch it. So once it retraces, so then only try to average. So these are the levels that I wanted to discuss. So since the 75 rupees level already it has touched that, and again retracement was present in this particular stock, so again it might touch that if it supports the 65 rupees region. So these are the levels. So focus on all the stocks which we discussed earlier also, especially small cap and mid cap. So if you are getting any chance to average, you can average. So this is the right time and opportunity in many stocks. So further, if you are having any queries, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.